Okay, everybody, now we are ready to graph our more specific data. So what we are going to do is, for just example purposes, I'm going to graph some frequency data. So it's going to start off the same. First, I'm going to come down here and edit my sheet title so that I know. This is frequency. A1, just as always, is going to be date. And then this time I'm going to track, this is where we'll put some of those operational behaviors. So you don't need to type out the whole definition. You just need to put what the specific behavior is. So for this one, I'm going to put hitting was one of them, biting, eloping, and screaming. Okay, so I'm also going to show you a different trick here. If you have consecutive days in a row, so if I put 325, 2022, you can actually click on the corner here and drag down, and it will automatically populate your dates for you. Just for example purposes, some of these are weekends. You won't have that normally. So what I would recommend is only doing that for Monday through Friday and then letting it go and then starting back in, typing on Monday. Because if you don't, there will be holes in your graph for where those weekends are. So I would only put dates in here that you actually were in school and working with the kid and taking data. Don't put weekend dates over there. Okay, so now I'm just going to start inputting my numbers from my data sheets. So hitting on the 25th, we had 6 instances. We had 2 on the 26th, 0 on the 27th. 28, we had 7. Then the 29th was a really rough day. We had 15. Then we had 5 and 7. Okay, then I'm going to go over to biting. On the 25th, we had 2 episodes of biting. We had 0 on the 26th, 3 on this day, 3 here, 12, 3 and 5. And again, I'm just pulling these numbers right from my data sheet. Eloping, 6 on this date. 26th, we had 3, then 5, 12, 3, and 4. Screaming, we had 14, 19, 22, 24, 38, 8, and 15. Okay, so I have my data entered for these target behaviors that we're tracking frequency on. So I'm going to do just as I did on the others. Click and drag to highlight our data. And then I'm going to go to Insert, Line with Markers. And there is some more beautiful graphed data. So again, same as last time, let's get this title changed. So let's see, we can title this one Frequency of Target Behaviors. And then it's already got our legend down here. So our blue is our biting, or our hitting, I'm sorry. Orange is biting, gray is eloping, and the yellow is the screaming. So just to add a little talking point here, graphing is so great because we can see that obviously screaming is the highest, so we see that the most commonly. But also it just shows really great trends here. We can see something major happened on this day, so this was a really escalated day. So it just, graphing is really, graphing allows us to really be able to visually analyze what's going on and just helps us see trends a little bit better. Okay, so we're going to add those axis titles. Primary horizontal, again, is going to just be our date. And then we will add vertical. And so for this one, this will be frequency. So this is just the number of responses, number of occurrences of behavior. Okay, so that is how we are going to track our frequency. And then on the next video, I will do a little bit on duration, and you guys will have examples for Excel. All right, thanks guys. See you at the next video.